not all cars, not all Audis have the MMI system, the audio streaming. So if you go to tunes, you find a tune that you want to play, look at the bottom there. It used to be really easy to see because all this was in red, but there's been an update, and for reasons best known to themselves, they've now done it in kind of white on silver, which you can hardly see when it's sunny. But if I just click on that, it's a white triangle and 3 white circles. You can see there Audi MMI there's a tick next to it. So we'll do that, just knock that back. I'll turn this down, I'll turn this up, and then we'll control it from my phone. So honestly, the sound system in this car is fantastic. That's it, thanks for watching. I'm going to listen to the music.